Well, my name's Meesha Joshua, and I've been coming here for 8 years because I've been coming here since I was 4, and now I'm 12.
Very good. What do you like most about Craig Springs, Meesha?
I'd say the company, the amount of people, the types of people, the different people, and how they are different and how they relate to you.
Okay. What does Craig Springs mean to you?
What does Craig Springs mean to me? Craig Springs means to me, whenever someone asks me about Craig Springs, I think more of people, nature, and just being one-on-one with God and meeting new people and new friends.
Where would you say you see God at camp?
I'd like to say through the many places we walk, like when we go on hikes, I can see God through a little blade of grass. I can see it on a little drop of dew on a leaf. I can see it through dead trees and live trees.
If someone wanted to go to Craig Springs, what would be the one thing you'd tell them that they should know before they go, or that would make them want to go?
If you ever feel uncomfortable, just know that it's going to get better, and every bad thing at camp has a good side on it.
Okay, good. Do you have 3 words you could use to describe camp?
I'd say calm and peaceful and friendly, because there's nothing harmful towards you.